We're leaving. Where are we going?
Colorado.
Oh, you just left?
Yeah.
Hey.
Okay. What you doing with that little camera boy?
I'm sick of driving.
That. So he had to figure out a way to make
Sick
some
of
more
it.
money.
I didn't know Dallas had a
Instead of
lake.
getting a lake.
Are you thirsty? Why don't you drink water? Look at your tongue. You don't need any water? You want some Mountain Dew? Running with the yeah, right back where I started with it. I've been on since college with it. I hit the club, I hit religion. Jesus, I'll admit it. Your girl in the damn plane, why you always trying to escape? Grand flexing and twin flake, let money fall, bitch, bad blood, bad, you gotta buy for that bitch. What are we doing?
We're at Sonic. Hungry.
That's not cool.
Yay, Liddy. I wonder how many miles it is to the top of that hill over there.
You go back there? Whoa! Check that out.
Whoa, holy heckin' bumper. It's Colorado, Texas, Utah, Ohio, New York. Where did she get all these from?
That's crazy. Where's Louisiana Street? Get in there and lay down.
And a tiny little fan.
Do something like Harry
Look,
Potter.
there's a creepy Santa Claus back there, just creeping. Look, Gryffindor flag and everything. No.
Daisy, is this where you're sleeping tonight? Is this your spot?
She's like, oh yes, I have found my spot.
Okay, well, I guess I'm sleeping in the Harry Potter trunk.